What's up guys, my name is St-Germain and welcome again to our channel Journey to Freedom, where you can follow along on our journey to financial freedom through the worlds of Shopify and dropshipping. So make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video like this one. Today, we're going to be talking about the one marketing channel that has generated 17,070% return on investment for our dropshipping store. Make sure you stay till the end of the video to catch all the tips that you need to implement this on your store as well. And all we ask is you drop us a like if you're finding some value in this content. That is what helps us to get this video out to many other dropshippers like yourself who can benefit from content like this. We put in a lot of time and effort into producing these videos for you guys, and the only thing that we ask is if you're finding some value in the content, drop us a like, drop us a comment, and that will help YouTube to get this video out to other YouTubers like yourself and benefit their dropshipping stores as well. So let's get right into it. The one app here that we're talking about generated us 17x return on ad spend. Some numbers here for you, and I'll show you this on our Shopify store as well. We spent about $1,200 over the last year on this application through this app, and that generated nearly $30,000 in revenue. That is nearly more than 17 times return on ad spend, and it generated 530 orders that would otherwise not have come to our store. What are we talking about here? We are talking about an app called SMS Bump. Okay, SMS Bump is an app that is utilized for text marketing specifically, and that is a very powerful marketing channel that if you're not leveraging, make sure you look into it. So let's quickly go onto our Shopify store, and you'll see our revenue numbers here from this app. Let me refresh these numbers, and you'll see that they're actual live real numbers. Over the last 365 days, we've generated nearly $23,000 in revenue by spending $1,200 on text marketing. You can see the breakout of that is automations, which I'll explain what that is, and text marketing. Automations, you can see, generated nearly a 10,000% ROI. What that means is that we created this additional $10,600 in revenue by spending only about $100. So that's a huge return on ad spend. And if you're not doing this, you can see the kind of money you're leaving on the table. Text marketing is where you can send your own custom campaigns to your marketing list, and that is also another very powerful way to generate conversions and additional orders for you. You can see here the peak was in December last year during Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, when we really utilized text marketing very aggressively to get additional sales, and it worked phenomenally well. So let's walk you through what exactly text marketing is and how it can help your store. So text messages, SMS messages that people receive on their phones have very high open rates, right? Think about it yourself. When you get a text message on your phone, you instinctively open it up. Even if it's just a marketing text message, you want to open it up and make it read at least, right? You don't want to have the unread notifications still showing on your phone. Most people, including myself, have that instinctive reaction to make the notification go away. And to do that, you read the message. So these text messages have 80 to 90% open rates, which is much higher than emails. People have gotten so used to receiving marketing emails that many of them go unread, because just based on the subject line, people can tell it's a marketing email and they don't bother opening it. So, your message has been delivered to them, but it doesn't serve any purpose. But text messages have very high open rates, and as a result, very high click-through rates of 8 to 10% as well. Now, these are fantastic for recovering abandoned carts, right? Abandoned carts are the easiest money that you can get added to your store's revenue if you're not doing so already. You will see amazing value for money on any additional money that you spend on text messages when it comes to recovering abandoned carts, because again, people will right away see the text message once they have left your store and respond to it. So that is where the automations come in that I just showed you. Automations help you set up those abandoned cart text messages so that they get sent automatically, right? You don't have to send them manually. It's all done automatically by SMS Bump behind the scenes. If a customer abandons cart on your store within a time frame that you set, half an hour, 1 hour, 1 day, it will automatically send a text message to that user if they agreed to receive text marketing messages on their phone. So the second thing, of course, that is, these campaigns are very good at is on those holiday weekends. If you're running any marketing campaigns for Christmas or any other holiday weekend, text marketing can be a fantastic way to get people involved on your website, because on those busy holiday days, many people are not checking their emails. And if they are, they're getting inundated by emails from all kinds of stores that they have been shopping at. But very few stores actually send text message marketing. So on those holiday weekends when Facebook ads are very expensive, make sure, of course, this is not meant to replace email marketing. Email marketing has its place and it's very powerful. But think of SMS marketing as a supplement to the email marketing that you are already doing on your dropshipping store. So as I mentioned, on these holiday sales, text marketing can be very, very powerful. And I showed you the return on ad spend that we were able to get on those text marketing campaigns. Hope you're finding value in the content so far, guys. And if you are, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time that we put out a brand new video. And make sure you stay till the end of this one to catch all the content, and comment below on what you like and what you'd like to hear about. Stay with us. Now, what are the mechanics to get this started on your store? Now, there are some very strict regulations in place that you need to abide by if you want to be able to message your customers' cell phone numbers with marketing messages. Okay, so this is not something to take lightly. Your users have to opt in during the checkout process if they want to receive these text messages from you. If they do not opt in, you are not allowed to send these text messages, and you really have to make sure that you abide by these regulations. And SMS Bump is actually very good at bringing you through this process and explaining everything so that everything is laid out crystal clear, and everything that you're doing on your stores through the app as it relates to text marketing is within the laws. Okay. The best part about this is that at the end of the day, you own your subscriber list. Okay. For example, on our store, we have a text marketing subscriber list now that is about 14,000 in number. That's a very powerful asset for your business because you can market to them at any point in time. They have given you the permission to reach out to them with marketing messages. So this is a very strong asset that helps you to develop a long-term business, right? And don't think of it only from a text marketing standpoint. You can use it to provide customer service. Provide them with shipping notifications, with order confirmations, with updates on their shipping, right? So they will really appreciate those updates when they receive them on their text message as well. Now, here, I'm going to cover some of the main things that you can do with SMS Bump on their platform. And in our experience, it has been a very, very good platform that has a lot of different tools and ways that you can utilize the application for your website. So this is what the automation dashboard looks like. They have various templates that are set up in there that will help you to actually set up these campaigns right from the get-go. You can see, you obviously have the option of making some inactive while choosing which ones you actually want to be active in, and you can customize them. So you can see here that we have one particular text message that is sent out 1 hour after a customer abandons cart. And this is what has generated the most revenue for us, right? So we have sent 2,400 text messages for this purpose. And the cost of these is typically about 1 or 2 cents, or, depending on the country that you're sending the text message to. And this is the amount of revenue that we've recovered from it. So you can see how profitable that is. Then we also sent a follow-up text message, which is 1 day later, and that's with a discount, with the additional 10% discount, saying, hey, come back, complete your purchase, we're going to give you an additional 10% discount. And that has also generated some revenue for us. So you can turn off and turn on whichever ones you like. There are also, as I mentioned, shipping notifications and things like that you can configure. And as I mentioned, these are automations. So these are set up once and then you're done. There's no additional work on your part. They get sent automatically. You can also set up flows. This is something recent that SMS Bump has implemented. You can set up much more custom flows that are all condition based, right? So if a certain event happens, if the trigger condition is met, then this happens. If a customer abandons cart, then do this. If a customer has bought a certain product, you can upsell them something else and establish flows for that process. So really, this is a very, very powerful marketing tool. And this is quite similar to what you can implement for Facebook Messenger flows as well. So that's what they have implemented for text marketing now. And thirdly, of course, it allows you to establish text marketing campaigns, which are mass text messages that you will send out on different sales days, for example. And you can send the message to all of your text subscribers. Like in our case, for example, we have 14,000 subscribers and we could choose to send out a mass text message on a particular sale day that we are planning to have. So these tools really make this a very powerful marketing channel. And if you're not utilizing it, make sure you look into it, because there's a lot of low-hanging fruit that you can grab and bring additional revenue to your store, because this is the kind of stuff that makes your front-end products profitable. When people talk about the back end of your store, this is the back end, right? This is what really adds on those incremental revenue streams that make your overall store and product line profitable. I hope you guys found some value in this video. As I mentioned, if you found some value, drop us a like. This is what really helps us out, helps the channel out. It helps to get the video out there to other folks like yourself who can benefit from this video. So that's all we ask. If you guys found some value, make sure you drop us a like, comment below on how you think you can implement this on your stores. And I reply to every single comment that you put down below personally. So if you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment and I'll get back to you shortly. We'll see you in the next video.